That must be one of you, Kita's is being so noisy.
Ours don't sound like that.
Oh.
No, it's this guy.
Oh. Let's see, I gotta find them. They're just everywhere. Well, Jacqueline, you guys want to start trying to round them up and identify them?
How many do you want, Mom? No, let's just do one at a time.
I'm with Sue. The hard part's finding them.
Oh, where is Mooney 4?
Okay.
Key to 5.
Key to 5. Okay, you want to turn her around, see her back?
Okay.
Hey, key to 5. Key to 5. That's Lola. Lola, say hi to Gala and Desmond. Okay. All right, who you got, Jacqueline?
Mooney 5.
Mooney 5. Hey, Mooney 5. You want to turn him around? See his pretty back? Pretty spots. Dirty dog. Happy dog. Okay.
2? Mooney 2? Yes.
Yeah, that's Thor. Hey, Thor. Flying nun. Got the flying nun. Let's see your back, Thor.
Noah. Come on, Noah.
Pretty boy.
Where are you?
Okay.
Hold still.
Okay, who you got? I saw that. You got her by her tail.
Mooney 4.
That is Roxy. Hey, Roxy. Say hi, Roxy. Roxy likes to lick. Roxy's wiggly. Okay, oh, that's Mooney 1. Sassy. Very good name for her.
Sassy.
That is Sassy.
All right, Sassy, hold
Sassy,
still.
hold still. They're so excited.
Are you
Okay.
ticklish?
Okay.
Key to 2, Loa.
Hey, Kita 2. You're going to Denmark. Say hi to Frank. Hey, Kita 2. Oh, they're just all wiggly this morning. Okay.
Has she done key to 1?
No.
Here's key to 1.
Kita 1.
Oh dear.
Is that a boy?
Yep.
Yes.
Does he have a name? He doesn't have a name yet.
Not that we're aware of.
Yep. No, Kita 1 doesn't have a name yet. Hey, Kita 1, you're all nice and calm. You're such a good boy.
Tickle your tummy. Oh, am I tickling your tummy?
Say hi to Sylvia and Scott and the boys and girls. Okay, who do we got here?
Key to 4.
Kita 4. He gets to go to Alaska. Say hi to Susan. Hi, Kita 4. Susan wants you to have him all leash trained before he leaves. So you better get busy. You better get busy.
He learned to fetch this morning.
You learned to fetch? Good. Okay. Who do we missing?
I know we're missing key to 5.
No, key to 5.
We got Kita 5 first. That was the first one.
Bella. That's the only one of ours that we're missing.
Okay.
Right, under the bush right there.
Bella.
Oh, here it comes here. We're missing that little 3 too.
Sorry, honey.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Damaged goods. They're going to want a discount. Okay, who we got there?
Key to 3.
Bella.
Kita 3.
Bella.
That's Bella. Say hi to
Unless
Joe.
the names have changed.
No.
Okay.
Say hi to Joanne and Kenny. Hey, Bella. Hey, Bella. Okay.
They do whiten up.
Yes, they'll all be a lot cleaner. Okay. This is Mooney 3. I'm thinking I'm going to name her Alexis and call her Lexi. That's what I'm thinking right now. I had a horse named Lexi once.
She's the one that looked like somebody stuck their hand in paint and went like
yes.
this.
Okay, you think we got them all?
If not, let
Close
us know.
enough.
Yeah. Yeah. Close enough. Somebody wants back up.
Okay.
This is
got
Thor. Thor is extremely friendly. All right, who we have here?
Key to 3.
Oh.
That's my shoe. Don't steal it. That's key to 1.
Key to 1. That's Thor.
This is Mooney 2. Oh, that's Mooney.
Oh, that's Mooney too. Now,
Okay.
it's still Thor. It's still Thor.
Yeah. Are you coming home with us now?
Okay, where's
They're
Puppies?
starting to look alike.
Yeah, we gotta fight if I can get it in tape. Huh?
Up in the corner, we have
Oh,
a parade.
I'll see if I can find them.
Hi, darling.
Oh, what do we got going here? You guys are too active. They're all over the place today. Who do we got here? You have a following, Sue. I'm not sure I have them in the